The mathematical identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now how to prove it? One is the vertical method, the other one is the horizontal method. Look at this, a plus b multiplied by a plus b. A multiplied by a equals to a square. A multiplied by b equals to ab. Now b multiplied by a equals to ba और ab. चूँकि तरतीब में a पहले आता है अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में, so it must be ab. b multiplied by b equals to b square. Now this is equal to a square ab plus ab. It means that there are two constants. One is 1ab or 1ab. So plus 2ab plus b square. This is one of the possibilities. Now look at the other possibility. The other possibility is ab multiplied by ab. A multiplied by a equals to a square. A multiplied by b equals to ab. Now b multiplied by a equals to ab plus b multiplied by b equals to b square. Now this equals to a square ab plus ab plus 2ab plus b square. This is the other possibility. There is also another possibility as to how to prove it. इसको हम प्रूव करते हैं. मसलन ए बी को लिखते हैं, इनके साथ ए मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, यहाँ पे प्लस डालते हैं, और ए प्लस बी को लिखते हैं, इनके साथ बी मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. तो मल्टीप्लाई करें ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी प्लस b square equals to a square plus, this is ab, a square plus ab plus 2ab, दोनों को प्लस करें, plus b square. So this identity a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square can be proved and verified through 3 different ways. Thanks for watching.